Hello everyone, my name is Mackenzie Dairon Araujo Martinez. I am from Taminango, Nariño. I am a student environment engineer at University. I am 20 years old. My family is my brother Ronaldo Araujo Martinez, my father is Fanny Esperanza Martinez, my mother is Raúl Araujo Martinez. My line is the music and line to play soccer. Okay. Description of the trip to the confessional center. Located in the municipal of Chachawi. I have been possibilities on the park, placed by community. For the exit or recreation, a sport, restaurant, and healthy recreation of the Nariño family. What I love could give the felicitation, multiple service and habilitation, recreation, sport and social programs. Travel experience. What most attracts the attention of the center or recreation con familiar, the first thing your face it is color and this landscape. Its world shows rotation. In its thousand possibilities combination. An explosion of color, a varying a provocation as sexual bucket for the eyes. This price of color is order X, with sex, with taste and elegance. Matter and color symbol de colebras is virility and plural. Coexist. A plurals, a portraits, and a manifestation of condescension in your foot of course. The war and what choose takes in account. The municipal has available temporary 21 grados centígrados and half of 1950, which determines a temporary climate that has led the formation of important urbanization process with recreational propagation and circular housing, making these municipal and six preference beauty inabilities of the capital of Nariño for holidays and recreation. Okay. It should take into account that active of wearing white clothes inch of solar locker. Recommendation for trip. The recommendation of my bar interface please instead have money. Cardboard implements like skis, creams and sunblocks. Respect as not miss to place providence vitis reaction and finish good with the mentality to have a good theme with histories because it is a beautiful place accommodates be beautiful and house. Thank you.